Hi, today I'm reviewing POCO C50 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi to this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, we should click once on the switcher and here we'll see all of the available networks. We can select one from these networks. To do that, we just should enter the password. To see this password, we should click to this eye icon if you just don't want to have some mistakes. For example, let's enter the password, then just tap to connect, wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. You can connect to another network also and to switch between them if you want. Just to turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click on this Wi-Fi switcher, but if you just wanna forget the let's go back here. If you wanna for example disconnect or just forget this network, to forget the just the passcode, also just to turn off the Wi-Fi, we should tap on the switcher. To activate Wi-Fi to connect to the one from the networks, we can use the another method. So first we should open the control panel. Here you will see the Wi-Fi icon. So just to activate or turn off the Wi-Fi, we should tap on the switcher. To launch the Wi-Fi settings, we should just hold for a while this icon, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.